Okay, so we stopped here last time. We were looking at this column, and we said this column has a group of 4 and is a power of 2. If you recall, a few weeks ago we went over the rules, and that should be in the slides about how you form these groups. So this is a group of 4. Here's another group of 4, group of 2. And so we want to write the expression represented by these groups. If we start with the column, we know that if we look at these terms, these min terms here on the side, we want to see if there's anything that stays fixed as we traverse the column. And as we can see, if we were to look at W, we see W go from 0 to 1. X also goes from 0 to 1, from 1 to 0, so they're both changing. If you look at this column though, we see that for this entire column, it stays fixed as y prime z. Okay, so then this term is y prime z, which represents this column. Next, we look at this group of 4, and we notice that this group traverses 2 rows. Now in these 2 rows, as we go from here to here, you notice that x stays the same. Notice this is w prime to w, this is x, which stays the same. So in terms of the rows, we have x. Now in terms of going across the columns here, we see that z stays the same. Z stays the same. So this is xz. We have the last term that is represented by this group. We notice that as we go from row 1 to row 2, that w prime stays the same, and the column is yz prime. So we got w prime yz prime, and that ends as a solution there.